Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW M8 versus Audi. Let's dive into their performance capabilities. The BMW M8, for instance, comes equipped with a formidable twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower. Audi's high-performance RS models also offer incredibly powerful engines, ensuring rapid acceleration and a truly dynamic driving experience. Both brands are engineered to provide an exhilarating ride for any car enthusiast. Moving inside, both the BMW M8 and top Audi models present a world of luxury and advanced technology. The M8 features a driver-focused cockpit with intuitive controls and high-quality finishes. Audi's interiors are known for their sophisticated, minimalist design and cutting-edge infotainment systems. You'll find premium materials and a host of customizable options in either vehicle, ensuring a comfortable and connected journey. When it comes to driving dynamics and comfort, there are distinct differences. The BMW M8 typically offers a more aggressive, sporty ride, prioritizing sharp handling and direct feedback from the road. Audi, on the other hand, often strikes a balance, providing athletic performance while maintaining a more refined and comfortable ride for daily driving. Ultimately, your personal preference for a driving feel will be key. Finally, let's consider value and cost. Both the BMW M8 and high-end Audi models represent significant investments, with initial purchase prices often exceeding $100,000. It's also wise to factor in long-term ownership expenses, such as insurance, fuel, and routine maintenance, which can vary. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.